Here are all my ornaments. They turned out so cute. I mean, look, are you kidding me? This year I discovered felt ornament making, and I'm honestly so mad that I didn't try this craft until like the week of Christmas because it's all I can think about, and I'm obsessed with these felt ornaments. My fingers are a little sore, but I want to show you the ornaments that I made. So I got this little kit from Target, and honestly, the kit is okay. The instructions are horrible. There are basically no instructions. You have to just look at these pictures and like try to make it work. They don't tell you how to attach it. They actually tell you how to attach it backwards, and then it looks really messy, so I'll show you what I mean. It comes with all the little bits. Some of them have embroidery on them, but the instructions said to basically put this all together first, like the back and the front and the stuffing and the tag, and then add the beads. And I was like, I don't think that's right, because then it's gonna look nasty on the back. It looks so blah. Why would they say that? So don't do that. Don't do what I did. So for the next ones, I switched it up. The next one I did after the tree was this cute little star. I loved it, and then my mom saw me making it on Christmas Eve and was like, I like that. So I just wrapped it up and gave it to her, even though I really love this one and I wanted to take it home, but she really loved it. I can duplicate this, I think. As you can see, I only did the running stitch on the outside, and I did all the beading on the inside, which it's still a little messy. So I don't know, I would rate this like, maybe like a 7 out of 10. 2025 one, and I think it's so cute. I did purchase different string because the string that it came with was just so thick and it was not getting through all of the stuff. This one, I did all the beads and all the designs afterwards, and then I just did like a running stitch. Figured it's fine because the front is covering it up. Yeah, I think this one is like an 8 out of 10. Then I started looking up videos online because I was getting obsessed, and I learned about the blanket stitch. How cool. This one hurt my fingers the most. I don't know what it was. I think like I used the full embroidery, so would not recommend doing that. Do like only 3 strands or 2 strands. The knots are not so great, but honestly, this is pretty cute. I'd say like a 6 out of 10. It's not my favorite design. I'm not really like a pink girl. The last one that I did. I saved this for last. I did this while watching Stranger Things. I am obsessed with this one. This bottom part is a little weird, but I would say probably like a 9 out of 10. The sequin stuff was very difficult because it's like all coming off the edge, but I still really loved it, and I just love how shiny it is. How cool. So yeah, I think this is a success. I want to make 1,000 more of these, and I might make them for Valentine's Day, like little hearts. How cute. I'm obsessed. Yay.